What are you drawing, Rob?
Well, have you ever played golf, Dean?
I certainly have.
I am drawing a most wonderful golf course.
How many holes does it have?
Well, it's going to have 9. I'll put them in now. Here's number 1, where we start. 2, 3, 4. Can you put the flags in?
Yes,
5,
glad to.
6, 7, 8, 9. Now, you'd know, I think, that golf courses have a lot of obstacles, like trees that get in the way and...
Sand traps?
Yep, sand traps.
I'll draw some of those in.
They even have the occasional dog that might wander in.
There's a big lake in the centre.
Right. Okay, perhaps one more tree, and there we are, a finished golf course. Now, do you know how you play golf?
Well, you have to get from one hole to the next with the minimum number of strokes.
Show me how it would work.
Well, assuming I can't go over the sand trap but have to go around it, it would be 1, 2 to get there, 3, 4, 5, 6, now this will be difficult, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
All right, so 17 is the smallest number of shots you'd need to get round this golf course. We'll call that par. Okay, I'd like you to play a game of golf, but with these provisos. You're not allowed to look at the golf course directly. You have to do it in a mirror.
Oh.
And so you can't see the golf course. We'll put something there that shields it. Okay, you can only sit in the mirror.
Yes.
And these 2 rules govern it. You count a shot every time you change direction or cross a line, either a blue one or a green one or any other line at all. See how many shots it takes you to get around the course.
Can I start with my pen on?
Yep, you can.
Hole number 1?
And off you go.
Okay, then I'll raise that up so I can't see it. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, got there.
Hole number 2. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is very difficult.
It is.
13, 14, 15.
Okay. Well, you've got 15. Remember, par is 17. You're only 2 shots away and you're still on the 4th hole. But that's the idea. You see how many shots it takes you to get around the golf course, then I use a different coloured pen and see how many it takes me to get round.
Very difficult.
And see who wins the game of golf. Give it a go. It's very good fun. It's mirror golf and it'll keep you occupied for hours.